Question number 7. There are 3 white and 5 pink flowers in a box. In how many ways can 3 flowers of same color be selected? 2 flowers of different colors be selected. Now first we are taking that is 3 flowers of same color we have to select. Now 3 flowers of same color we have to select. Now what we have, 3 white flowers we have and 5 pink flowers we have. So that is we have 2 options, 3 white flowers and 5 pink flowers, right? Now 3 flowers of same color we have to select. So either we can select all 3 white flowers or 3 pink flowers we can select, right? So 3 white flowers, of 3 white flowers it can be selected in how many ways? 3 ways. And 3 pink flowers from 5 pink flowers it can be selected in how many ways? 5 ways. Now whenever we have options or so we always do the addition, right? So here therefore total permutation we have, total permutation is equal to 3C3 plus 5C3, that is 3 white flowers can be selected from total 3 flowers and 3 pink flowers can be selected from total 5 flowers, that is the option, this or this. Now 3C3, as we know that NC and that is equal to 1 plus 5C3. So if this will solve, so what it will come? 5 factorial and up till 3 we will bifurcate. So 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So that is equal to 1 plus, divide here, so it will come 10, that is 11. Now second one is 2 flowers of different color be selected. So here we have to select 2 flowers of different color. So in how many ways it can be done? Now as we all know that we have 3 white flowers and 5 pink flowers. And 2 flowers of different colors we have to select. So it can be 1 white flower and 1 pink flower. So 1 white flower can be selected in 3C1 ways and 1 pink flower from this can be selected in 5C1 ways, right? So addition of both, total permutation is equal to, total permutation is equal to 3C1 plus 5C1. Now 3C1 is equal to 3 and 5C1 is equal to 5. Now here we are not having any option, we have here selection, that is 2 different selections. So here instead of that is multiplication is there here, right? So here it will come 15. So by total 15 ways we can select 2 flowers of different color. Question number 8. 2 cards are randomly selected from pack of 52 cards. In how many ways can 2 cards be selected such that first one both are of heart, second one is a king and the other is a queen? Now here as we know that from 52 cards we have each, that is heart, diamond, each of 13 cards, right? That is there are 13 cards of heart we know, right? So first question is both are of heart. Now here we can write down in pack of 52 cards there are 13 cards of heart, and we have to select two cards, right? Both are of heart. So both cards of heart, it is from 13, and is 13 and R is 2. So it can be done in 13C2 ways. So total combination is equal to 13C2. If we go by the formula method, that is n factorial upon r factorial, n minus r factorial. Now what is your n over here? 13 factorial, 2 factorial, and 13 minus 2 factorial, that is equal to, now here 13 factorial is there, 2 factorial, and now here 13 minus 2 is 11 factorial, right? So here this will bifurcate till 11, 13 into 12 into 11 factorial. 11 factorial will get cancelled. So 13 into 12 upon 2. So here our answer will come 2 6 are 12 and 13 into 6. So my answer will come here 78. Now next question, that is one is a king and other is a queen. Now here they have not bifurcated that it should be of diamond or it should be of heart. So in pack of 52 cards, right, there are 4 cards of king and 4 cards of queen, right? 4 card of king and 4 card of queen it is there. Now from that what we have to select? One is a king and other is a queen. So that is one we have to select. So that can be done in 4C1 ways. And here 4 cards of queen are there total. From that one queen card we have to select. So that can be done in 4C1 ways, right? So total combination is equal to, total combination is equal to 4C1 multiplied by 4C1. Now as we all know that NC1 that is equal to N, that is 4 multiplied by 4. So total combination is 16. Question number 9. There are 9 employees in a bank, of which 6 are clerks, 2 are peons, and 1 is a manager. In how many ways can a committee of 4 members to be formed such that, 2 questions, the manager must be selected, and second question, 2 peons are not to be selected and the manager is to be selected. Okay, so one by one we'll solve. First of all, what they have given, we are having total 9 employees, right? We have 9 employees. From that 6 are clerks, 2 peons, and 1 manager. This is the bifurcation. Total 9 employees we have, from which we have 6 clerks, 2 peons, and 1 manager. We have to make a committee of 4 members, right? So first condition we are taking, that is the manager must be selected. That is, from this one manager we have to select this manager. So remaining from 4, one already manager will be selected. So remaining 3 we have to select from this 2, right? So if the manager is to be selected in the committee of 4 members, then from the remaining, that is 6 plus 2, 6 clerks plus 2 peons, from total 8 employees, remaining 3 members of the committee has to be selected. So one manager is to be selected. That can be done in 1C1 ways. and remaining three members from 8 employees, that is 2 plus 6 or 6 plus 2. That can be done in 8C3 ways. So total combination is equal to 1C1 into 8C3. So 1C1 is equal to 1, multiply by now 8C3, that is 8 multiply by 7 multiply by 6 upon 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now this will solve 1 into 56. So total combination, that is 56. Now second question we'll take here, that is 2 peons are not to be selected, that is this peons we don't have to select, and manager is to be selected. So the condition here is 2 peons are not to be selected and manager must be selected. Now if the manager is to be selected, or we can say if one manager is to be selected, it can be done in 1C1 ways, right? Now remaining 3 members, total committee of 4 members is there, from that one we have selected manager. So remaining 3 members of committee from 6 employees, we can say. Now why I have written 6 employees over here? Because what they have said, that 2 peons are not to be selected. If 2 peons are not to be selected, we don't have to count these 2 peons, and one manager we are selecting, that is in 1C1 ways. So remaining 3 members of the committee has to be selected from 6 clerks, right? So that can be done in 6C3 ways. So from remaining 6 employees, that can be done in 6C3 ways. Therefore total combination is equal to 1C1 into 6C3. So 1C1 is equal to 1, multiply by 6C3, that is 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 is to 2 is to 1. So that is equal to 1 into 20. Therefore 20 is your answer. Question number 10. In an office there are 8 employees, of which 3 are females and remaining are males. Now see the bifurcation. Total 8 employees we have. From that 3 are females, right? 3 are females. So remaining employees are males, that is 5. 3 employees are to be selected from the office for training, that is your R is 3 over here. 3 employees you have to select. In how many ways can the selection be done so that at least one male is selected? Now whenever at least or at most it comes, so we have to be careful little. Like at least means minimum, or minimum one male should be there. Now total how many males we have? 5, right? So minimum one male is there, so that can be done in either one male and 2 females it is there, or 2 males 1 female is there, or all the 3 males are there and 0 females, or not a single female is there. These 3 options are there when we are having at least. So at least one male is there, at least minimum one male is there. Maximum they have not told, so maximum it can be whatever the employees are to be selected. Minimum one male should be there. minimum it is 1. It can be 2, it can be 3, right? So the different options are, first one is, that is 1 male and 2 females, or second option is 2 male and 1 female, or third option is all the 3 males, that is 3 males and 0 female. 0 female because 3 members only we have to select and all the 3 are males, so that's why 0 female, right? Now total number of males we know, that is 5, and total number of females is 3. So how it can be done? This combinations, 1 male and 2 females, that is 5C1 and 3C2. So here it will be 5C1 into 3C2. Then 2 male, so it will be 5C2 into 1 female, so 3C1, and 3 males and 0 females, so it will be 5C3 into 3C0. So these are the 3 combinations which we have: 1 male and 2 females, 2 males and 1 female, and 3 males and 0 female. So therefore total combination is equal to all these 3 we will add. First option or, that means plus, second option or, plus third option. I'll write down 5C1 into 3C2 plus 5C2 into 3C1 plus 5C3 into 3C0. Now let's solve this. So 5C1 is equal to 5 into 3C2. So that is 3 multiplied by 2 upon 2 into 1 plus second option 5C2. So that is 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1 into 3C1 is equal to 3 plus third option 5C3. So that is 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 into 2 into 1 and 3C0, that is equal to 1, right? Now I'll solve it over here. Two and 2 will get cancelled, and 5 into 3 is equal to 15 plus, now here 2 and 2, so 10 into 3, that will come 30, and plus here 3 will get cancelled and 2, so here 10 will come, right? So that is 15 plus 30 plus 10, that is total 55. So at least one male is selected, so the total combinations is 55.